Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study First PUC World History Unit 1 Introduction from your PUC World History textbook. In this unit, we will understand the meaning of history, different definitions of history, and the importance of studying history. Now, let's begin with meaning of history. History is one of the greatest branches of human knowledge. It studies the past life of human beings. The world history comes from the Greek word historia, which means inquiry or investigation. In Sanskrit, the word itihasa means events that really happened. The main aim of history is to find the truth and understand all aspects of human life. History as a scientific study. The Greeks were the first to write history in a scientific and systematic way. Herodotus, a Greek historian, started the proper writing of history. So he is called the father of history. Now let's see what is the definition of history. History is generally understood as a record of past events. There is no single definition of history. Different historians have experienced history in different ways based on their ideas. Herodotus' definition of history. Herodotus said that history is a record of great heroes and important events. According to him, history should preserve these events so that future generation can learn from them. Saint Augustine religious view of history. Saint Augustine believed that history is the struggle between good and evil. He felt that God guides human history and finally good will win over evil. Karl Marx, economic interpretation. Karl Marx said that history is the story of struggle between the rich and the poor. He believed that conflict between exploiters and exploited shapes human history. J.B. Bury, History as Science. J.B. Bury said history is a science because it uses facts and evidence. But since experiments are not possible, history is not a pure science. Arnold Tony B. Civilizations. Tony B. said history is the story of the rise and fall of civilizations. He focused more on people and culture rather than kings and war. Jawaharlal Nehru, Progress of Mankind. Jawaharlal Nehru said history is the journey of man from barbarism to civilization. He believed that human progress happens through struggle and harmony. Now let's see, students, what is the importance of the study of history. History as human experience. History explains how human culture evolved over time. It is an ocean of experiences that helps mankind learn valuable lessons. History works like memory for mankind. Without history, society loses direction and wisdom. Religious tolerance. History teaches us to respect all religions. Religious tolerance creates peace and harmony in the society. Source of inspiration. Great leaders and reformers in history inspire us to live meaningful lives. Patriotism. History develops love and respect for our nation by teaching us about freedom fighters and heritage. Laboratory of Social Sciences. History provides facts and data to social science like economics and political science. Noble ideas. History teaches values like truth, equality, non-violence, and service to humanity. International peace. History shows the dangers of war and the importance of peace and cooperation among nations. Now let's see what is the conclusion, students. History is not only the study of the past, it guides the present and shapes the future by teaching humanity, wisdom, unity, and peace. Those who learn from the history build a better future. Those who forget history repeat the same mistakes. Remember, history is a teacher of life. Thank you, students, for listening. If you like the video, Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye.